Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on 3 different laces. They are really easy and only one row repeat. Let's start with number 1. As you can see in this pattern, front side and back side, they are exactly the same and only one row repeat. There is no need to have a setup. Doesn't matter if you start from row 1 or now. What you have to do is only you have to knit 1, pull, and then knit together. That's it. Repeat again. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit together. Repeat the pattern until at the end of the row, and then the next row also is exactly the same. But you have to be, I forgot to tell you, this is multiples of 3. Now I have 21 stitch here. Multiple of 3, and then return the work and then do it again. Let me just make few for you. Just knit 1, yarn over, and knit together. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together. Okay, that's it. And pattern number 2, there are also one row repeat, and front side and back side, they are almost the same. For this model also you don't need any setup, but you have to do, you have to start from here. You have to knit 2, pull, 2, knit 2, pull. What you have to do, first you have to knit the second one, then knit the first one. When it comes to pull a stitch, the same. You have to pull the second one first, and then pull the first one. And repeat. This is really good and nice for summer pattern, for scarf, and really easy to knit. Just you have to remember, you have to pull to knit, then knit the second one, after that knit the first one and take it out. Here again, that's it. You have to repeat each row the same pattern. For pattern number 3, that is going to look like front side and back side exactly the same. But before you start, you have to have a 2-row setup. I'll show you what to do. What you have to do, we have to, for the first and second row, just pull all stitches. Or maybe you knit all stitches, it's up to you which one you like, but it has to be in the second row also. I am going to pull all the stitches. And the pattern starts in rows 3 and so on. Continue the same in each row. What you have to do, you have to knit the first one, knit together, yarn over, slip down, again knit together, yarn over, slip, and keep continue the pattern. The last one we are going to, that's it. We have to repeat again in this row. You have to knit, yarn over, slip, knit, yarn over, slip. After a few rows of knitting, your pattern should look like that. This is really nice, easy and fast to comes up. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed all these 3 laces pattern. They are really nice, and we use this for summer top, scarf, and whatever you want. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.